This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings, then tapping Sound and Vibration. This is where notification patterns live. Once done, select Notifications to list apps and categories because vibration options are tied to each notification type. Make sure to keep the phone unlocked and awake so changes apply immediately. If your device shows a search box, type vibration to jump faster. You're now positioned to change the vibration behavior for specific apps or system alerts. Don't skip the notifications list, it matters. You select the app or notification category you want to edit. This isolates the setting. Next, tap vibration or pattern under the notification details. Some phones hide it in advanced. Once you're in, preview presets and try custom mode. Press, hold, and draw the rhythm, then save. Make sure to test with a short message. Hearing confirms the feel. If no custom option exists, switch to a different profile or use an app that exposes vibration controls. You finish by saving the chosen pattern and sending a quick test notification to verify the change. If it works, great, you're done. If not, make sure Do Not Disturb is off and that battery saver isn't blocking haptics. Toggle those settings and retry. Once done, restart the device to clear minor glitches. If vibration still fails, run the hardware diagnostics or contact service because a broken vibration motor requires repair rather than a settings fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.